Okay, just a short clip to show you what's been going on lately. There's that flag, although you probably can't see it because it's right in the sun. Come on, Mr. Jakey. Got him on his leash. And we'll go down here. Did a lot down here. Party garage, although it's still not built, but it's getting. Some people will look and see what I can do here. But I cleared some trees that were overhanging it, so when it does go up, it'll go up now. And at the same time, got some logs that I'll chop up. This is 18 inches round. That big Mama Luke up here, 22 inches. Both of which are oaks. And there's the baby. Yeah, got the Stihl MS 261 and some stuff for that, some extra chains, and of course I finally put oil in the log splitter, which I will use for all of that. And there's the sawhorse. That's the first thing I built. And here's some stuff that was already chopped, but that'll have to go in the log splitter as well. And a couple more were taken down too. So we're going to have to, what they call, buck those some more. Get that done. Still haven't gone far back there. 7 acres. That is a Mama Luke. Now what I plan on doing is making what they call a king's chair in this big one. And what it is that stump, you basically cut a chair into it, which is pretty cool. It's going to be a lot of wood. So I'll probably get at least a cord, 2 cords, maybe more out of there, so I don't have to buy it. And this Champion, you can see still got the sticker on it. But I started it up and I built this wooden thing off a YouTube video that covers the oil filter and the hydraulic fluid filter. And it's made out of 2x12s. It's pretty cool. And hopefully when I get to the mailbox, this is the Home Depot version of things. Chainsaws. A home light, which doesn't remotely compare to that still. It's a beautiful one. I got the one without the electronic carburetor and all that drama, so I'm really looking forward to finishing up here with this. And did the lawn again. Oh, there's a that's a hawk. I don't know how good you could see it. It's pretty cool. Again, this doesn't have the zoom, so I can't do it anymore. But hopefully when I get down to the mailbox today, I got some speaker wire I ordered to finish doing the surround sound hookup, and that's pretty cool. Come on, Mr. Jakey. Haven't had any bears lately. And I got one of those steel targets, which are kind of cool. And I just put that together the other day. I haven't done any shooting though. And I got to spray some of that Wonder Side in the backyard, which is pretty good stuff. And I am going to be, probably this coming week, putting together, finally, the raised garden beds. So I got all the stuff and all the wood. Just have to do that. And birds are still feeding, but these are up. I got this new weather vane, which is pretty cool. Give me the wind direction and stuff. Of course, the Weber grills. And I got some plants too. And I guess that's about it. That's for now. Beautiful sky today. It's Friday, July 25th. I can't believe how that time flies. It really does. So in any event, just a quick update. Until next time, God bless.